And there it is, Sony latest AirPods. Some say they have the best ANC in the market. Let's find out. Wow, that eco packaging. Similar to the Xperia packaging. A little manual for you. All kinds of tips. And USB Type A to USB Type C cable. And that's the manual, which... Okay, it's just a paper. There you go. Pairing button. USB Type C. The hinge. Magnetic. How's the fit? Pretty good. But they are clunkers. Look how they're sticking out from my ears. I don't think you can use helmet with them. In the app, we have a very nice tutorial. Battery status. We have adaptive sound control if you wanted to. Also, you can connect to a couple of devices, your songs, sound itself. Then you can change from noise cancelling, ambient sound, and there's a lot of room to choose, and you can turn it off if you wanted to. Also, speak chat. Then if you speak, it will use ambient sound for you, so you could hear someone. And after a minute or two, it will come back to the noise cancelling option or to the off. It depends what you choose. Of course, there's an equalizer. You can turn it off. There's a bright mode, excite, mellow, relax, volume, vocal boost, all kinds of different settings. But still, even with the manual settings, it still gives me too much bass. Find your equalizer. That is a better version, so it will prompt you with a couple of... Let me show it to you. It will prompt you... Music is not being played, okay. So it will prompt you with a couple of rings, and you have to choose which one is the best for you, and will equalize it to the rings. Of course, analyze your ear. It will take 2 photos of your ears, and yeah, analyze. I don't know how this works, but it works. I mean, I think it is. Optimize app. It will optimize for 360 audio, which is pretty good, 360. Bluetooth connection, prioritize stable connection, and prioritize sound quality. Range is incredible, way better than any other earbuds. Connect to device seamlessly. Voice assistant from Alexa and Google. Ambient control, you can change it if you want to. For playback control, and no assistant at all. Ambient, yeah, for the left and right. Head gestures, that is super cool. And the sound itself, they are warm, very warm. And bassy. You could correct the bass in the equalizer, in the app, but they'll still be warm. If you like extremely warm sound, this is something for you. Yeah, it's just warm. Well, the clarity and high resolution audio is so good. I think this is a peak of the wireless audio experience. If you want to compare them to Samsung's Buds Pro 2, there's no comparison. If I could give a score from 1 to 10, when 1 is trash and 10 is extraordinary, Galaxy Buds Pro 2, it's 5. Pro 1 is 6, because the older model was better, but bigger. And those are solid 8, easy. But I think the previous version, the first version, sounds a bit better. They look cool. They look extraordinary with that gold spots or what they are. They look cool in your ears. Expensive. They look expensive. So if you like that kind of thing, then yeah, this is something for you. That's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.